You want to look in the camera for?
Because I want to. Please, James.
I guess.
Okay. Can
Be careful. Careful, Taylor.
I get it?
I'm gonna stand right here with you.
Can I switch?
Just look right through
I
here.
have to see it here.
Oh, okay. You have to have an adult help you though, okay?
So you didn't bring any cups, James?
No.
Can I hold it? Can I go upstairs?
No, you can't. It's very fragile. Taylor, it's plugged in. No, it's because it's not charged. Let's put it back down, okay?
I want to see her. How you take a picture?
It records and then you play it back. Let's set it down.
Can I take a picture of her?
It is taking a picture right now.
Pictures.
Taylor, you know when you watch the Wiggles on TV?
Yeah.
They record it with this so that they move. The other kind of camera takes just a still picture. So set it back up here.